Which ones? What size are the other ones?
I think they were the same size. I think it was both same size. Yeah. You said 12 by 2s? Yeah. These are the same.
This is what came out of it. It didn't have the padding.
Yeah.
So all we did was get it slightly longer, but it's only a tad bit longer.
Yeah.
It may look like that, but you know what I mean? The wood was the same thickness, and we added the padding. That was the only reason we went. We went with a little bit of thicker one because we were going to try and drive it home in the same spots. You know what I mean? What are your thoughts? Look, it's only this much more, and that's about what the padding we added. That's just my thoughts.
It's probably the same. Yeah. You probably right. Yeah, I'm overthinking it.
Like I said, we can try. Try and drive one home. Feel like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Go with some shorter ones.
Alright, so this is what we started doing. We are drilling the plywood. So we started using those 12 by 2 kind of self-tapping bolts. In the beginning it worked for a minute, and then they started breaking. Like the head started breaking right off. I'm not sure if it was due to like the drill or what. But so we had like 3 pieces of plywood or something like that. And we just had to make sure we bolted them to the floor before we laid down the flooring. And it had to be a nice flat, even surface. Obviously it's not going to be 100% level because you are in a van, not a house. But you can get it really snug. We actually went to the store, like your local hardware store. We went to Home Depot and got some a little bit shorter. I think they're 10-inch by 2-inch self-tapping screws. As you guys can see, there's like one of the snapped screws before. Yeah, there's a lot of screwing. I don't know if you guys know, we were doing every corner. Well, just trying to find the stuff, like the ribs in the van, so it just made it like a good connection, you know?
Say don't go too.
Alright, now we're getting ready to put the flooring in. We actually drilled like a plank down because that was like the only realistic way to get it to set correctly, you know, because we don't have molding and stuff like that. There's no molding in the van, so we just chose the straightest line possible, and which was off the wheel well, and then we went from there. Yeah, we actually only used just those 2 screws to bolt it down because we really just need to get it started. We didn't want to spend forever trying to have someone stand on it to get the whole thing set and still have it move around or pop up and stuff like that. So yeah, here it is, getting closer. Not really getting closer, but like this is how we did the flooring. So you would flip the board over, take the one side, measure it, and then you, as you're seeing, like you cut it from there. So you can use the other plank to start your next row. And
Put your finger here.
look at that. Oh man, that's like perfect. Yep. Some more screws at the end plank because you don't want the back making it do some weird stuff. Should that grab? Hit it with another one. Gotta be careful doing this because like it can like mess up the flooring and put some severe holes in it. Not just holes, just like cracks, and then it'll look crusty. But there it is, guys. Like you really, and when you're going down, it's like not too hard. It's just you really just snap them into place. Like when you're at like a 45-degree angle, it works the best. And then you just slide it in. They give you, well, they actually don't give you the tools anymore, but it's like a little, I don't know, plastic block, and like a little mallet will usually do the job to knock it in, like way more snug. Didn't really have to use that too much because everything kind of was just fitting in perfectly, which is like rare. But yeah, there it is right there. That little piece of wood. I forgot what that's called. But like and then obviously the mallet. And then you just tap it into place. And just make it look neat. Yep, take a little measurement, you know. Use what you got.
Work with what we got, right?
Yep. And then we gonna knock that little piece in after we cut that little piece off. Pow, 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 pow. Sometimes it's definitely hard to get it going.
On this one? Yeah, you kind of stand on both of them. Because I want the seams to stay the same height. If you press down on one, you gotta press on the other. You know what I'm saying?
Still nothing. Oh, keep going. There it is. A little more. Hold on. Looks like it's still a little bit of gap. Close. Keep going. Why isn't that going on? There it is. Alright. So now we're getting to the last couple of pieces of the van. Excuse my hand in the way. I think it's Daryl's hands in the way, aka Zip Tie Mechanics. And definitely a little finesse to get that in there.
Look, dead ass, bro.
That's crazy.
You couldn't ask for something better, bro. Oh, the floor. I can't. You gotta get to this side. Don't worry about this side. Worry about this side. Line the tip up. This side's gonna be high on it. Line that side with the tip.
I'm trying to feel for it. I can't feel for it though at all. Oh, maybe I'm too far. Man.
I got it. Look out. Right there.
Alright. I got it right here.
Oh man, I don't move like I used to.
My knees hurt too.
No, I'm not talking about the hurt. I'm just talking about my speed.
Nah, you still got speed. That's a frame of mind. State of mind. Oh yeah. It kind of looks crooked. My fingers. Oh yeah. Alright.
Stand on those.
Alright, here we go.
Good?
Yep, here we go. A little more. Nothing. We ain't moving an inch.
So we're not on the seam.
No, we are on the seam. We just gotta.
No, I'm saying it's not biting correctly somewhere here. So just keep an eye on that while it's happening.
Yeah. Cause it was going for a second. Oh, keep on. There it is. Pow. Two more. There it is. Pow. Yep. Putting the last little piece to get this thing started for the last little bit, and this is what we're looking like. So this is like the finished little bit. Got some tools over here, so obviously it doesn't go corner to corner, and it's impossible to get your hands up under there too. But this is how it came out, guys. Yo, this is fire. Probably the hardest part was probably this part right here, this little notch. It's because it's like a weird angle, and then, well, you can't see it now because the fridge is back there. But yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. It's the finished product. Yo, we moving along, players. Hold on. Look at this. Does she approve? What's up with it? Come on, gang. You gotta tell me something here. Sit and look at me. Sit and look at me. I think she digs. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe, comment, like, everything. If you got any suggestions, it definitely helps. But we come along. They got some insulation, got everything. Whew, it's been a while. Say goodbye, Coco. She don't go. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that, drop a comment or something. You know, anything helps. Peace, guys.